In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get started by installing a vital plugin that will help us with the sync process. So go ahead and open your Obsidian settings. That's the gear icon usually found in the lower left corner of your app. Once you're in the settings, look for the Community Plugins section. This is where we can access a whole array of handy tools created by fellow Obsidian users. In the Community Plugins section, there's a search bar. Type in Obsidian Git. It should pop up pretty quickly. Go ahead and hit that Install button. After it's done installing, make sure to enable the plugin by toggling the switch on, because just installing it isn't enough. We need to turn it on for it to work. Now we've got that out of the way, let's move on to creating a Git repository for your notes. This will allow us to manage all versions of our notes effectively. To do this, we'll be using the command palette. You can open it by pressing Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac. In the command palette, type git initialize a new repo. Once you find that command, click on it. This will create a new Git repository directly in your Vault folder, and that's essential for the syncing process. Next, we need to connect this local repository to a remote one where your notes will be backed up. Again, open the command palette, yes, it's your best friend in this process, and type in git edit remotes. When you run this command, you'll see an option to paste your GitHub, GitLab, or any other Git provider repository URL. Make sure you've already created a repository on GitHub beforehand and just copy that URL. Paste it into the prompt that appears, and you're all set to connect your local notes to the remote repository. Now we need to configure the syncing options to make sure everything runs smoothly. Head over to the Plugin settings for Obsidian Git. Here you'll find various options to customize how and when your notes sync. For instance, you might want to enable the Auto Pull on Vault Start option. This means that whenever you start Obsidian, it will automatically pull the latest changes from your remote repository. That way, you'll always be working with the most up-to-date version of your notes. Additionally, you can enable the Auto Push option, which will automatically push your changes to the remote repo. This way, you never have to worry about losing your notes, as they'll be backed up without you having to manually do anything. You can also set your desired time interval in minutes for how often you want automatic backups to happen. This could be every 5 minutes or perhaps every 15 minutes, whatever suits your workflow best. Once you have everything configured, congratulations! Your notes are now set up to sync and commit any changes automatically across all your connected devices. You'll be able to work on your notes seamlessly, knowing that they are safely backed up and version controlled. And that wraps up our tutorial on syncing Obsidian with GitHub. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to